Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do a vertical ombre fade, where I do one side of the nail one colour and then gradually fade it into another colour. Using sherbet lemon to start, just down one half of the nail, and I'm just using a flat brush just to blend a little bit over the halfway mark. Pop them under the lamp please for 30 seconds. Right, I'm going to go in with the second coat of sherbet lemon. Again, using the flat brush, just blending it out slightly. Pop that back in, 30 seconds please. Right, so now I'm going to go in with Jaffa Cake. Using a clean flat brush, blend it over. So once you're happy with that fade, pop it under the lamp, 30 seconds please. Right, and I'm going to go in again with sherbet lemon just on this corner and blend it through. A little bit more Jaffa Cake. Just keep cleaning your brush off, you don't want to mix the yellow on this side. I think what you could do is maybe like a one stroke dip, so dip one side, in with the yellow, one side, in with the orange, use the back of a form, blend it through the brush, blend it down, but I've done it this way. Pop it under the lamp please, 30 seconds. Right, so now I'm going to fade it from the Jaffa Cake on this part of this nail into Candy Apple. Now I'm going to go in with the Urban Graffiti top coat. Seal the design in, then cuticle and done. Pop them in a minute, please. I'm using the lemon cuticle oil. I'm going to rehydrate those nails. And there's our rainbow vertical fade. So I hope you enjoyed this video and give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All the products are listed below. I'll see you next time. Bye!